Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to clear all recent search history in Instagram. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Play Store and type Instagram in the search bar. Step 2. Look for the camera icon with a background gradient between yellow and pink. Tap on it, then tap the Install button to download Instagram. Step 3. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the Instagram app. Sign in using your usual credentials. Step 4. From the bottom drawer, tap on the magnifying glass icon. This will take you to the Explore page. Step 5. Next, tap on See All next to Recent. This will display your recent search history. Step 6. To clear all your recent searches, simply tap on Clear All. Congratulations! You have successfully cleared all your recent search history in Instagram. This helps maintain your privacy and keeps your search activity confidential. Clearing your search history can be beneficial in various ways. It not only removes any traces of your previous searches, but also allows you to start fresh and explore new content on Instagram. By clearing your search history, you can ensure that your Instagram experience remains personalized and tailored to your current interests. Remember, clearing your search history is a simple and effective way to manage your account and maintain your privacy. If you have any questions or encounter any issues while clearing your search history on Instagram, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We'll be more than happy to assist you. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative guides on Instagram and other topics. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Instagram journey.